Hello, in this video I will show you how I connected a 2.4-inch touchscreen to our Raspberry Pi 3 using the GPIO interface. First, I connected the display to the GPIO pins and power on the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, the screen doesn't work immediately. This is normal, because the current drivers are not installed yet. To fix this problem, I go to the display manufacturer's website and follow the installation instructions provided there. Okay, give me a second. I'll just log in to the Raspberry Pi using SSH. First, I download the driver package from the official GitHub repository. Then I change the permissions and run the installation script for the 2.4-inch display. After the installation, the Raspberry Pi restarts automatically. However, after the reboot, only the command line interface is displayed instead of graphical desktop. To enable the graphical interface, I set the system to boot into the graphical mode by default and restart the Raspberry Pi again. After the second reboot, the display works correctly and the graphical interface is loaded properly. Now the display is working correctly. You can, for example, connect a camera and display the live camera preview on this small screen. You can also create your own graphical interface, display system information, or use the screen for other interesting Raspberry Pi projects. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.